In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your Notion using the PARA method. The PARA method is a straightforward yet powerful organizational framework designed to enhance your productivity by categorizing your information into 4 distinct sections: projects, areas, resources, and archives. Let's begin by diving into what each of these sections represents. First up, projects. Imagine projects as short-term efforts that have a specific outcome and a deadline. These are tasks you're actively working on, much like hitting particular milestones or completing a defined set of actions. Here's where you would place current assignments, things like developing a marketing campaign for a product launch, planning a holiday itinerary, or working on your novel's first draft. It's crucial that projects have a conclusion, a finish line that indicates accomplishment, helping you stay focused and motivated. Moving on to areas. Unlike projects, areas represent ongoing responsibilities that you need to manage continuously. These are aspects of your life or work that remain relevant and require regular attention, such as personal health, managing your finances, or overseeing your customer support. Think of areas as long-term commitments that revolve around maintenance rather than completion. They support your well-being and professional role by providing structure and routine to your everyday tasks. Next, we have resources. This category encompasses all the reference materials and information that could potentially aid you in the future. Resources are items like research notes, templates, articles, SOPs, standard operating procedures, and learning materials. These are your support tools, there to provide assistance when needed, but not requiring immediate action. Think of them as a library of knowledge and materials that strengthen and enhance your tasks and projects when required. And finally, archives. This section is for all those inactive items that you've completed or no longer use but want to keep for reference. Archives house things like completed projects, old notes, past client information, and expired plans. Essentially, they're your digital attic. These items don't need active management but can be valuable for future reference or reflecting on past achievements. By categorizing your digital life into these 4 practical segments, you create a neat and efficient system that reduces clutter and helps elevate your focus on what truly matters. Not only does it streamline your workflow, but it also clarifies priorities and manages expectations for both ongoing responsibilities and upcoming tasks. When integrating the PARA method into Notion, be clear and consistent with what type of information goes into each category. This will not only help in maintaining organization, but also reduce the cognitive load when reviewing and updating your tasks. Implementing this method requires periodic reviews to ensure each section remains relevant and up to date, enhancing productivity while optimizing time management. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at the PARA method and its application using Notion. Embrace the simplicity and effectiveness of this system, and watch it transform the way you manage and interact with your digital world.